The internet is evolving. We started with Web 1, a read-only world of static web pages and one-way information. Then came Web 2, the read-write era, dominated by social media giants and cloud platforms. Users began creating content, but the power stayed centralized. The platforms owned the data, dictated the rules, and harvested the profits. Now, a bold new vision is taking shape: Web 3, a read-write-own internet. A decentralized future powered by blockchain, cryptography, and user sovereignty. From platform to protocols, unlike Web 2's centralized servers, think Google, Meta, Amazon, Web 3 shifts control to users. Instead of data living in corporate silos, it lives on distributed ledgers, blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, and others. You don't log in with an email. You connect with a digital wallet. Your assets? Verified via cryptographic proof, not stored on a company's database. Your identity? Yours to own, not theirs to sell. Key technologies driving Web 3. 1. Blockchain transparent, tamper-proof public ledgers that store transactions and run smart contracts. 2. Cryptocurrencies and tokens enable digital ownership, peer-to-peer payments, and community governance. 3. Smart contracts, code that executes automatically when conditions are met, no middlemen needed. 4. Decentralized apps, the apps that live on peer-to-peer networks, not centralized servers. 5. DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations, communities governed by token holders, not executives. Why Web 3 matters? 1. True digital ownership, your data, your assets, your identity, all controlled by you. 2. Censorship resistance, no single entity can ban your post or freeze your account. 3. Fairer creator economies, artists, writers, and developers can monetize directly, without platform cuts. 4. Transparent governance, protocols evolve through community voting, not boardroom deals. 5. Global access, Web 3 is borderless, open to anyone with an internet connection and a wallet. But IT's not perfect. YT, the road to Web 3 is thrilling, but full of real challenges. 1. Scalability, most blockchains are slower and more expensive than traditional systems. 2. User experience, wallets, gas fees, and private keys can be intimidating for newcomers. 3. Security, smart contract bugs and crypto scams are widespread. 4. Regulation, legal systems are scrambling to define ownership, liability, and taxation. 5. Sustainability, some blockchain networks, though improving, are energy intensive. The bigger picture, redesigning the digital world, Web 3 isn't just a tech upgrade. It's a philosophical shift, away from rent-seeking intermediaries and toward user empowerment. It invites us to reimagine how we own things online, how we govern digital spaces, how we trust strangers, systems, and code. Web 3 is not about replacing the internet. It's about reclaiming it. The tools are still being built. The UX still needs polish. But the momentum is real, and it's growing fast. The future is distributed. Web 3 might not yet be mainstream, but its foundation is already reshaping how we think about digital identity, commerce, and collaboration. It's more than crypto, more than NFTs. It's the blueprint for a user-owned internet, a future where power flows from the edges, not the center. And that's a future worth building. Please like and subscribe if you find this content interesting and engaging.